When you're in good company, you can feel it. When you own a Subaru, you belong to a family of passionate drivers who look out for one another. As your Subaru retailer, we feel the same way. It's the essence of genuine Subaru service. Like any vehicle, your Subaru will require regular maintenance and occasional repairs. But your Subaru isn't just any vehicle, and that's where we come in. At the heart of Subaru is a precisely engineered boxer engine and symmetrical all-wheel drive system. So the technicians who work on them are engineered too. That means we're factory trained with hands-on experience at a Subaru training center. And we receive training annually to stay up to date with current model changes, so we know every Subaru inside and out. We learn how the various systems work on board your Subaru. We have the know-how and technical support to interpret data streams that solve complex problems. Our goal is to repair your Subaru properly the first time, on time, and at a reasonable cost. Whether it's general maintenance like oil changes, tire rotations, brake service, battery replacement, or advanced repairs for your engine, transmission, suspension systems, and more. We use specialized tools designed specifically for the engineering and technology of your Subaru. And we recommend genuine Subaru parts to get the job done right and make sure it stays that way. But that's not all. Our service comes with a smile and some down-to-earth conversation. And we'll thoroughly explain what it entails, so you'll know more about your vehicle. We want to keep your Subaru performing at its best for years to come. Why trust any other shop with your Subaru? Come to a place where you belong. We're here to help. Make it last.